Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by equipping the Nagi Azure Latch and placing one trap item in your quick slot. This gives immediate control options. Move into position near elevation or cover so you can approach unseen. Once you have a single enemy isolated, bait a predictable movement, dash past, then latch back to pull them toward the trap zone. Use short bursts of pressure to provoke a dodge. The latch activates during recovery, making the capture window reliable and repeatable. Once the enemy is baited and their dodge or stagger occurs, commit the Nagi Azure Latch immediately to lock momentum. Timing here is critical. After the latch connects, chain 2 quick attacks to extend the stagger and force predictable movement, then place or trigger the trap in their projected path. Make sure you keep 20 to 30% stamina in reserve so you can retreat or relatch if they break free, because conserving resources prevents failed captures and keeps the combo fluid. To finish, ensure the trap is triggered and follow immediately with a high-damage burst while the target is immobilized. This secures the capture or takedown. If the target escapes, back off to cover, reset aggression, and repeat the bait latch sequence rather than chasing blindly. If you see consistent late dodges, adjust timing by delaying the latch by about 0.2 to 0.4 seconds. This compensates for human or AI reaction and dramatically increases success on stubborn targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.